Optimizing color mode image. To activate color mode, simply tap color on the bottom of your screen, or press the button color on the control panel. To adjust your color gain, use your color gain bar to increase and decrease. Or you can also do this by rotating the gain knob. To steer the angle of your box, use your finger tap this icon on either side of the upper and lower sides and drag the box to steer. You can also simply adjust by tapping these two increase and decrease arrows. Or you can adjust the steer angle in the menu for fine-tuning. To adjust the size of color box, tap on one corner, and this will simply allow you to increase the size and length of the color box. Or press set first, and then use the trackball to adjust. To move the color box, tap the area inside the box and move it around the screen as needed. To adjust the scale of your color, enter your menu and select Scale to increase or decrease. To turn on Power Color Mode, enter the menu and tap On. Then you can have your Power Color Mode. To adjust sensitivity, turn to the next page of the menu and find Sensitivity. There are 4 options of it: middle, low, high, and ultra high. You can select one of them as needed. To adjust the color priority, you can turn to the last page of the menu. Increase or decrease the priority will change the quality balance between color image and 2D image. To adjust the maps of the color, select Maps, and this will allow you to adjust the way the colors are displayed.